Welcome to Green Circle Preschool. My name is Mrs. Anderson and I'm thrilled to be the teacher here at Green Circle. This is my second year teaching here and I love the community, the families, and all the students that we get to meet each year. Hi Charlton, are you having the best time at Green Circle Preschool so far? Yeah, you just started. What's your favorite thing to do here?
Go sledding.
Go sledding? Yeah, what else do you like to do inside the classroom? Play with the toys? Yeah, what kind of toys? Which ones are your favorite?
The big one, the construction one.
Oh, the construction toys. Those are fun, hey? Green Circle Preschool, we offer a learn through play philosophy with an emphasis on nature-based play and lots of outdoor time. Our program includes lots of circle time, crafts, literacy activities, math, science activities, and of course we spend as much time outside as we possibly can. Archie, what's your favorite part of coming to Green Circle Preschool?
I think marble maze.
Playing with the marble maze? Wow, what else do you like?
Playing with the train.
Oh, playing the trains too. What's your favorite thing to do outside?
Playing with leaves.
Oh, coloring the snow?
Yes, but this is a warning love.